Hello students, NCERT Solutions, Class 12 Physics, Chapter number 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Question number 25, obtain the equivalent capacitance of the network in given figure. For a 300 volt supply, determine the charge and voltage across each capacitor. In this question given that this circuit arrangement of 4 capacitors and a 300 volt supply, we have to calculate the equivalent capacitance of the given network and also calculate the charge and potential difference across each capacitor. Now, the equivalent circuit of given network इस गिवन नेटवर्क का हम इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट बना सकते हैं. दिस कैपेसिटर C4 इज हियर एंड हियर C1 and this here C2 and C3 and this 300 volt supply. This is the equivalent circuit of the given network. This here C4 and this C4 is equal to 100 picofarad. This C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 200 picofarad, and here this C1 is equal to 100 picofarad. Now from the figure it is clear that here C1 and C2, not C1, this is C2 and C3, C2 and C3 are in series. Therefore, equivalent capacitance is 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 200, and this is equal to 1 upon 100, and hence Cs is equal to this 100 picofarad. Now, again equivalent capacitor, that is equivalent circuit of this circuit. Here this C2 and C3 are in series. This is equivalent circuit of this circuit. C2 and C3 are in series. Therefore, their equivalent capacitance Cs is 100 picofarad, and this 100 picofarad is here. Now, from here it is clear that this C1 and Cs are in parallel. Here C1 and Cs are in parallel. Therefore, Cp is equal to this C1 plus Cs, and this Cp is equal to C1 is 100 and this is also 100. Therefore, this is 200 picofarad. Now, again the equivalent circuit diagram of this circuit diagram. This is equivalent diagram of this, and here this C4 and Cp, C4 and Cp are in series. Therefore, equivalent capacitance 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon 100 plus this 1 upon 200, or this is 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 2 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100. So this is C equivalent is from here. C equivalent is, this is 200 upon 3 picofarad. Here this C4 and Cp are in series, and in series we know that the charge is same and the potential difference distribute in the ratio of 2:1. We know that this V is equal to Q upon C, that is, charge is same, then the potential difference is inversely proportional to capacitance. Therefore, here the potential difference across this and this is in the ratio of 2:1, and hence the potential difference across the C4 V4 is equal to this 2 upon 2 plus 1 into 300 is equal to 200 volt, and hence Q4 is equal to charge on this capacitor. Q4 is equal to C4 into V4, and this is here C is 100 into 10 to the power minus 12, and this is 200 volt. Therefore, this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the charge on this C4 capacitor, and V1 is equal to 100 volt. V1 is equal to 100 volt because there is 200 volt, and this total voltage is 300. Therefore, here this is 100 volt, and these two capacitors are in parallel. Therefore, the potential difference across the capacitor C1 is 100 volt. Therefore, here this V1 is equal to 100 volt, and hence this Q1 is equal to C1 V1 is equal to this. C1 is 100 picofarad and V1 is 100, and this is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So this is the charge on the capacitor C1, and potential difference across C2 and C3, that is V2 is equal to V3 is equal to this 100 upon 2 is equal to 50 volt. Here the potential difference is 200 volt, and this across C2 and C3 combination, this is 100 volt potential difference. Now this C2 and C3 are equivalent capacitance, and the charge is also same in series. Therefore, the potential difference, this 100 potential difference, 100 volt divided equally, that is 50 volt potential difference across C2 and 50 volt across C3. And hence, charge across C2 and C3, this is Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to this 200 C into V. As you know, Q is equal to C into V. C is equal to 200 picofarad, and V is equal to this 50 volt. Therefore, this is on solving 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Here C2 and C3 are in series. Therefore, equivalent capacitance is 1 upon CS is equal to this, and on solving CS is equal to 100 picofarad. Now, the equivalent circuit diagram of this network is according to this. Now, this is CS. This CS is the equivalent of these two, and now this C1 and CS are in parallel. ये दोनों के दोनों parallel. Therefore, their equivalent capacitance CP is equal to 100 plus 100. This is 200 picofarad, and the equivalent capacitance of this C4 and CP, this is C4 and CP is in series. So this is 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 200, and on solving this is 200 by 3 picofarad. The equivalent capacitance of the given network is 200 upon 3 picofarad. Now here these two are in series, and आप जानते हैं कि जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है वो कैपेसिटेंस के इनवर्स रेशो में डिवाइड होता है, कैपेसिटेंस के इनवर्स रेशो में. Therefore, this is 2:1 because this 100 and this is 200. So this is 2:1 ratio. Therefore, the potential difference is C4 के across potential difference V4 is equal to 2 upon 2 plus 1 into 100, and this is 300, and on solving this is 200 volt, and this Q4 is equal to C4V4, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 200, on solving 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now this V1 is equal to, हमें कैपेसिटेंस C1 के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल चाहिए, तो दिस इज 100 वोल्ट, and Q1 is C1 V1 again, so this is 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 100, this is C1 and this V1, on solving 1 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the potential difference across C2 and C3 is V2 is equal to V3 is equal to 100 upon 2, this is 50 volt, and hence the charge on C2 and C3, this is Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to, this is Q is equal to CB again, and C is equal to 200 pico farad, means 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 into this 50, and on solving this is 1 into 10 to the power minus 8. तो इस तरह से हम इस क्वेश्चन को कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको समझ में आया. थैंक यू.